Hey everyone, let me share with you why Bitcoin is stuck exactly where it is today. Japan March CPI report dropped yesterday. Headlines at 1.5%, core at 1.8%, both harder than expected. And that single report is the reason everything slowed down. Man, I've been staring at these charts for hours and it's kind of crazy. 1 minute, we're all hype about pushing toward 80,000, right? The next minute, the whole thing just hits the brakes. Price is literally glued between 77.5 and 78.5, like someone built a wall around it. There's no momentum at all. The wild swings we were getting every few hours, they are completely disappear. Volatility has dropped to its lowest levels in January. It feels like the entire market just decided to take a nap at the same time. Now here's what exactly happens under the surface. Traders are rushing to close their leveraged positions. Future open interest has been dropping pretty fast over the last 24 hours. Implied volatility has fallen sharply and the markets has settled into the super tight sideways crawl after failing to break higher. This is classic post-breakout consolidation. The market is flushing out the weak leverage hands, clearing out all the borrowed money, and basically it's resetting itself. It might look boring on the surface, but these kinds of quiet periods often set up for a much cleaner and stronger moves when a real catalyst comes in. You can just feel the shift in the air right now. All that upward energies we had just a few days ago has completely vanished. Everything feels heavy and still, like the whole crypto space is holding its breath together. Bitcoin's hovering around 77,800 doesn't feel like it's dying. It feels like it's resting, gathering strength underneath the calm. There's this quiet tensions building. You can sense that something is coming. Even though nothing is moving on the screen, everyone's just waiting for the next week's Bank of Japan decisions. And you can tell the patience is being tested. So here's what I want you to hear loud and clear. This is just noise. One inflation print from Japan doesn't change Bitcoin long-term story. The adoption train is still moving. Institutions are still buying. Companies are still adding it to their balance sheets. And the halving effects is still working in the background. Keep stacking on the schedules. Ignore the days-to-day wiggles. And stay focused on the bigger picture. The future belongs to those who keep buying through moments exactly like this one. Alright, my friend. Don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.